So, this is the first cold day after this summer. Summer has been long. I'm not complaining. I love it. It's awesome. It's been a good summer. And today is now a cloudy day. Leaves are mostly yellow and falling down from the trees. Outside hasn't changed much. Not at all. Good old truck. And this thing on the generator, the pull cord mechanism decided to go bad. And so it doesn't, I can pull it, but it doesn't go back, it doesn't rewind. And it also, from the vibration, just broke off where it used to bolt on here, so you can't bolt it on anymore. It's kind of 2-in-1. Because then what I'll do is I'll just rewind it by hand and then put that whole thing back together and pull on it. And, well, that's the way it's going to be until I bother fixing it. You know, these generators are extremely good compared to the shit they have now. But there's just still so many bad things about it. I hate these little tiny flimsy plates. Or sheet, it should be plates. Little bolts, little things that are plastic pieces. I hate it. All these little crevices and... Anyways, it still works. I'm welding from it. I cleaned the container up quite a bit. Organized things. I made this table here for the batteries using the leftover plywood from the other floor. I wasn't going to do it this way, but I just ended up doing the quickest convenient solution, so I just welded this 2x1 channel right on the container. I don't like welding stuff on the containers. This is the only time I've welded something on it, because now if I want to change something around, I can't. But anyways, I'm expecting this container to remain somewhat the same for years. So the idea is to have, I'd prefer to weld a plate with coupling nuts on the back, and then you can just bolt on. So you bolt this on instead of having it directly welded, but it's a lot more work. And I kind of need the drill press for that. And the drill press is hard to run from the solar. Usually has to have the generator on for that. And then it ruins the drill bits. I need to get drill bits sharpened, so it's a bit of a shit show. But the batteries are all inside here now, and I think that's going to be a lot better, because they're going to be out. They're going to be away from the winter, the snow, rain, and crap. And good for the connections too. I really improved on the system. Put these half-inch thick aluminum bars. I have some stainless here, but apparently stainless isn't a good conductor of electricity. So anyways, oh, this is nice. The system's actually at 14.3 volts and putting out 20 amps. Now, it was charging from the generator. I was welding from the generator for about half an hour maybe. And maybe it's just taking very long for the solar system to be able to charge the batteries, because it's actually staying at the same amperage but higher voltage now. So yeah, I cleaned up this area a bit, reactivated many of the tools, able to use this cable saw again, but with the induction motors, they're hard to turn on. They use quite a bit of power, more than what the solar can. provide. Now, I installed the soft starters. So over here, just to install the soft starter, just this one socket. And over here, it's installed in both sockets. And that really helps. I've also used the lithium, these jump starter packs to, as you can see, there's their clamps, to boost or to help with the surge current. It doesn't seem to make a huge difference, but I'm sure it does help. But the soft starter is the main thing that works really well. Gotta fill up the tire. Got some other batteries here. Here are the good batteries in the truck. And 0.8. It's odd. See, these batteries are getting to a low voltage for some reason. I wonder if this thing is discharging them. I don't think so. Let's reconnect them with the switch. Let's see what happens now. That's gone down about a volt. Batteries are a shit show, I'll tell you that. Good old truck. And pretty much that's what's changed outside. My biggest changes have been inside. So, really for the past month, on and off, I've been building the windows. Got a decent load of steel. Setting this one up right now. All measures, little pieces cut, and I've initially on some windows I had cut the window bars itself, these ones. So I welded the vertical ones first. And then I've cut notches on them at 45 degrees and then try to match 45 degrees on these little pieces as well. But it's just too much work and it's taking too long. And I wasn't being able to, you see, I don't have anything that makes accurate cuts. Grinders, this is all I have here. This is what I've used for all these windows, so. Then I thought it was easier, and it was a little bit easier. Just cut square notches. But now I've got rid of that altogether. I'm not cutting any notches on these bars itself. Just working on the little pieces. Trimming them down until they fit. It's not easy because these T-bars have, see, over on this side it's thicker. It's got this edge. Just thicker. On the other side, it's also got that edge, but it's just a little bit. It's not as much. Let's see. Anyways. My steel. This window is almost done. At least the hardest parts. These little pieces are the hardest part. For sure. Cylinder refilled, and yeah, I'm hoping to get these windows finished by the end of the week, and then installed and welded on the C-can. Then I have to get glass. And how do you like my tool holder? And it's not easy. This is the table that I've been using. You can see it's a table saw. Definitely not easy. Well, That's the update.